idea why I did that, but yeah. So remember some videos when I did Rubik's Cubes? Yeah, I'm holding Rubik's Cube right now. So, there are some things you need to know. Boom, 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 boom. Every different color, not really. Nope. There has to be a blue here, but there's no blue. So, I don't know what I'm doing. There you go. See, so, boom. Oh, there you go. Oh! I have no idea what this video is about. So, we gotta do it. I'm gonna solve it looking at the camera and doing this. So, this might be a challenge. Or behind my back. Yeah. I'm probably not gonna solve it behind my back. Well, I'm gonna try. So, how's it going? Go. So, where were we? I think I was showing something. Like, the sides, yeah. Boom. Like, these are not so. Look, different colors. Boom, boom. Can't, no. Doesn't work. So, I'm gonna solve it. It's not gonna work well, but hey, who cares? In a few seconds, I'm gonna see if I improved. If not, then I'm gonna do one thing. Do something very unpredictable. Like last time, whenever I uploaded the video, I'm gonna upload probably, hopefully, 2, but if not, then 1. Maybe 0, I don't know. Because I have a little busy schedule. So, yeah, I'm gonna upload Monday. Yeah. Is that, yeah. Okay. I'm trying to see if I bit my tongue. That's great. So, I have no idea what I'm doing, so, yeah, I probably forget. I'm doing good so far. Yeah. Oh god. There we go. Okay, Jose. Okay, do that, do this, do that, do this, do that. I know I'm moving around, but I'm sorry about this because I just can't handle it because it's my first time actually doing this again. Like since I don't know, when was it? Was the last time? I have no idea. How am I supposed to know? Like you're supposed to know because you're supposed to know. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. Okay, we got that. Boom boom and boom boom and boom 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 and boom 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 boom. There we go. Okay, I finally solved it. That took like 15 years. And, okay, I gotta relearn the other methods. Gotta relearn it. Like, I know like the sexy move, and if I can do it. If I can actually do it. Oh, okay, there we go, and then boom, boom. No, I messed up. I don't know. Can you? There you go. I don't know what to do for this video. Just like, hey, I have a Rubik's Cube, and I haven't done this in a long time. Well, might as well do it. Just like this should be the second day of Rubik's Cube training from a long time ago.